Good morning. It's time to wash the car. It's just going to be a maintenance wash. We're going to try a new product, Armor All Ceramic Wash with the foam cannon. Should be fun. Come check it out. So this sexy beast is a Karcher pressure washer. I bought this thing over 20 years ago and it still works. When I initially bought it, I just bought it to clean the siding on the house. Now I use it to wash the car and it still works. So here's the Armor All Ceramic car wash I'm trying today on a maintenance wash on my new Mustang Mach E. First initial thoughts is it's not as thick, the liquid, as some of my other foam washes that I use, so I don't know if that's going to affect anything. This says it can be used as a foam washer. We're going to try it out. This is the foam cannon by Trinova. Everything I use has quick disconnects and connects on it to use with a pressure washer. Makes it way easier. If you haven't washed your car with a pressure washer and a foam cannon, you are in for a treat. Let's get this car soaked and ready for the foam cannon. So just want to show you, this car does have some protectant on it already. I've waxed this car and it does have a ceramic spray wash on it. So it does have some hydrophobic properties to it. Just watch. So we're gonna let the soap soak in for just a couple of minutes and then we're gonna rinse this off with the pressure washer. Let's see how it does. So I just wanted to show you the after of washing the car with the Armor All. I'm very impressed. Just check out how the water just beads off the hood of the car. All right, here's the finished product. This thing is shiny. That Armor All ceramic wash did a really good job. The car feels like butter. I mean, really, really soft. I wouldn't even need to clay bar this thing. Can't even feel any impurities on the surface right now. Awesome job, Armor All. Love it.